Do you want to improve your English communication skills and boost your confidence? Good news! February batch is now open for enrollment for our English Enhancement training course. This course is designed for beginners up to intermediate learners who want to communicate better in English without pressure and at your own pace. Our program focuses on the 4 essential skills: speaking, reading, listening, vocabulary, and comprehension. Face-to-face class once a week every Friday at 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Guided by an experienced teacher with a course duration of 4 months. Worried about the payment? No problem! Installment payment options are available to make learning more accessible for everyone. And after completing the course, you will receive a CPD accredited certificate, a great addition to your resume and professional profile. So, if you're here working in Kuwait and want to boost your confidence, improve your communication skills, and open more opportunities, this course is for you. Enroll now and start speaking English with confidence. Message us on WhatsApp at +965-507-78703. Look for Miss Michelle or +965-9930-2850 for Miss Rachel. Visit us at Kuwait City, Malia Panasonic Tower, 8th floor. This is Miss Michelle from ICSA Kuwait, inviting you to unlock potential through English with ICSA Kuwait, your partner in success.